upon the collapse of the dome.
Health Minister Ampareen Lyngdo informed that 5 more tested positive for COVID-19 in Meghalaya, thereby taking the tally of active cases in the state to 15. The minister also informed that 2 patients have recovered in the last 24 hours. The West Garo Hills district of Meghalaya has reported 11 active cases. Stating that there was a surge in West Garo Hills recently, Lyngdo, however, said that the government does not want to cause any unnecessary alarm because it will create big ripples across the state. Lyngdo also urged the visitors from high positivity states to go for self-quarantine. Asserting that the need for citizens to police themselves to avoid causing inconveniences to the public at large, she said the participation of the public has actually helped the state of Meghalaya contain the cases from going upsurge.
As of today, our positivity rate is very low at 14. Active cases 14 or 15, I'm not sure, but I just received an update.
As of today?
Yeah, so I would suggest that as a state, citizens themselves should police themselves so that we do not inconvenience the entire public at large. We have seen that that has worked. In the last phase of COVID, we saw that it is the participation of the public that has actually helped the state of Meghalaya contain the cases from going upsurge.
The Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and